Hi, I'm Russ. Today I'd like to talk to you about how to install a soft close clip-on mechanism. Let's get started. Okay, so soft closing doors in kitchens. This cabinet is fitted with it. You open the door and you close it. It closes nice and soft, just how we want it to. When I open this door, oh, there's a bit of an issue there. When I open the cabinet, I can see that the mechanism, this one, has popped off of the hinge. In order to put this back on, there is a little spring here and two tabs in this mechanism. This part with the piston is the front, you can see there. This goes towards the outside of the cabinet. There is a little square on the hole on the middle of the hinge here. What we need to do is we need to get this spring and these two clips to fit inside that hole. The technique to do this is that you want to line it up so that you can feel that you're in the right location, but you're not clipped on. You want to put a little bit of pressure pulling forward with your hand while pushing on. That's what makes it clip on. So I've got it in the right location, lined up. I'm now going to pull with my hand forward and then push with my finger at the back, and now it's clipped on. Now when I close the door, it soft closes just like we want it to.